your guy Rye. So the only thing that I know about the PlayStation 5 was the initial reveal. I haven't seen the main menu. I haven't seen anything. Actually, I haven't even seen a trailer to the Spider-Man game. So I just got it in the mail, and the one thing that I think is funny, if you see, they actually tell you on the box, although it might be backwards for you guys. So hold on, let me flip. On the box, oh, why not just tell the whole world about it, I guess. So let's get this thing unboxed. Let's get it set up. Let's see what it is, and let's get it going. From the fresh minds of Sony to the 5th console, I bring you guys the PlayStation 5. I am so stoked for this. I'm gonna be honest. Right out it. Definitely got some weight to the box. The controller had some weight, because actually the other one came in earlier. I have a video on it. And let's get this set up. I cannot wait to turn this on and do these updates and everything. I heard it's big. I heard it's bigger than the PlayStation 4. So let's take this upstairs and let's get it going. You have held the top ranks of the house as top system. Now, you shall be retired with honors. Now let's get the new one set up. Alright, let's go over and turn this thing on. Here's a little life hack for you guys. So far I'm liking it. Looks awesome. Too bad. Ooh. And my hue light should start working any second. That looks good. Oh, that looks awesome. Then hue lights really kick in to add that extra. That little extra. Let's turn this on. Ooh. Alright, let me get that started real quick. Ooh. Alright. So in terms of the main menu, I'm actually kind of liking it. And I'm gonna see how the games play. So I'm gonna let these this controller charge, and hopefully I'll be able to play something in a little bit. So that's it, everyone. It is your guy Rye. I gotta platinum another game, the Miles Morales Spider-Man is gonna be my goal. I may broadcast it, I may not, depending. As time goes on, I will be broadcasting my games, but let's just say, stay true, stay beautiful, and most important, stay you.